What's up? What's up? It's Steve here. Hope you're just having a fantastic, amazing day. A swell day, as they used to say back in the 50s. So this is Peggy Sue by Buddy Holly. He's one of my favorite artists of all time, and I'm going to teach you this lesson in under 3 minutes. Also, check out my other lesson on Every Day by him. All right, here we go. A major. A major. I sort of play it like that or like this. No capo, so we're gonna go A major, and Buddy Holly almost always used downstrokes. Ready? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D major to A. All right, so it goes. If you knew D, A, D, A. Without Peggy, D. My Peggy Sue, back to A, D, A. Just a lot of repetition right there. And then it goes, well, I love you, girl, E. Well, I love you, girl. And that's E major. E major, beautiful. And then D, I want you, Peggy Sue, back to A major right there. D, ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, all those ooh. All right, and so that's it. So. Peggy Sue, A, D, A. Really simple so far. Well, I love you is E major. I want you, Peggy Sue. And now for the little bridge part, it's really cool. It goes A, down to F major. Cool chord with the A right there. Pretty, 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 pretty A. Back to D, D major. My Peggy, A major. D, A. Once again, well, I love you, gal, E major. I want you, D major, Peggy Sue in A. And then when he does the little chorus, this is where it gets harder. Instead of all the downstrokes, he goes. You can get that, go from D to A to D to A like this. Super, super cool. And then, it's basically the same thing as the verses. Back to that. So it's great. And then to end the song off, he goes A, D, A. Like that. 3 little strums. Bum, 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 bum. Super, super easy. It's just, A, D, E major with that one little F chord thrown in at the end. All right. Tell me how you did in the comments. Watch the everyday lesson. Stay tuned. You're going to see a lot more Buddy Holly. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.